thank you to all of you for your love, your support. My viewers all over the world, I say I bless you all. In the name of God, I thank you all. Thank you, my YT family. I'm great friends that I've met on YT. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm cooking my banga soup. Banga soup, pankane soup, yeah? So what I did, I have used my air dryer to dry my catfish, yeah? And my turkey meat. And another seabass fish. Seabass fish dry with my catfish, dry with my air fryer. And my turkey, I use my air fryer to dry my turkey. That is my cooked shaki and my cow foot. Yeah, just a little bit. And that is my fresh prawns. That is my blended tomato, fresh pepper, garlic, onions, ginger. That is my maltese leaf, basil leaf and mint leaf there, and garlic and ginger blended there. I'm going to be using it to cook my banga soup. I haven't eaten this soup for a very long time, you know. Occasionally I cook my African food. And that is my guys. I find periwinkle in one of these African shops. But this periwinkle is dry one, which is small bag was 3 pounds. The fresh one in a bag was 8 pounds, but they don't have it. I would have grabbed the fresh periwinkle. I pray next time I go there, I find the fresh periwinkle too. But I haven't eaten periwinkle for nearly long years, nearly 20 years ago. And I really miss periwinkle. I love periwinkle in my vegetable soup, banga soup, you know, egusi soup, any soup at all, apart from stew. And that is my ground crayfish. And that is my my onions. And that is my bonnet green pepper. I've blended the real one. I'm going to throw this inside, yeah? And that is the basil leaf I'm going to put on top of the soup when the soup is cooked. And I want that basil leaf scent, like a scent leaf back up. And that is the banga. It's a thin one I bought, yeah? So I open it and put it here. So I'm going to melt it up with hot water and sieve it before I cook it, because there might be some particles inside them. Okay, that is the banga there. And that is my cooking pot on the fire boiling. Okay, well, I'm gonna put the shaki has been cooked. So when I cook the shaki, I cook it with the cow foot. I drain the water like 4 times because I don't want any of the shaki water or the cow leg foot water with the oil. No, they are not healthy for me. Okay, guys, so I have cooked it. So what I will do now, I will put in my dry turkey in there. That is my dry turkey meat in there with the shaki. Chopped onions in there. Some onions go in there just to, you know, just to simmer it a little bit. Then I start putting my banga and putting all the old ingredients, okay? Because it has already been cooked before. So when I cook cow foot, I cook shaki. I don't use their water. It's not healthy for me. So I'm just gonna simmer it down a little bit. Put some my Maggi cube, my Knorr cube. Yeah, my secret weapon cooking ingredient. This is my salt and my cube seasoning. Okay, put it in there in the meat. Yeah. Then put in some paprika. Yeah. Goes in there. Then I just turn. Yeah. I don't want any water from the. I've cooked everything and threw them away. Yeah. Be careful with fatty things. All the fat on the shaki, I've removed them. So I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then I start putting the other ingredients. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tip in my blended tomatoes. Yeah, some people don't put tomato. I'm gonna put tomatoes, okay? In my own banga soup, okay? That is blended tomatoes, pepper, garlic, ginger. Okay, gonna go in there. Then we're gonna turn. Okay? This one I'm cooking is just only me who's gonna eat it in this house. No any other person gonna eat it. Which is fine. Then I'm gonna sieve my banga. Okay? You got to sieve your banga. When I cook banga, I sieve it, okay? I sieve my banga. That is the banga. That is my banga there, yeah? I'm gonna sieve it. Get the siever. Then I will sieve the banga in there. Okay? If there's any particle or any, you know, any pancana seed, but it's clean, it's very clean. Look, there's nothing in there. Okay, guys. So the banga is in there. Banga soup is good with pounded yam, any fufu of your choice, but the best back home then is the robo way of eating banga with starch. I remember back home in those days, there's this lady restaurant we used to go and eat out with friends. You know, it was like if we don't eat there, maybe twice in a week or 3 times in a week, banga and starch. our days or week is not complete. So that is it there. I will allow it to boil before I start putting the rest ingredients. I'm gonna put my blended leaves. Yeah, my blended leaves gonna go inside the banga. Mint leaf is there, basil leaf, senti leaf, and mint, and otazizi leaf, frozen otazizi. But I blend everything. Gonna go inside this banga. Hopefully, we'll see what I'm gonna eat with this banga soup. I've not eaten banga for years, maybe 4 years, 5 years. I don't know. So we'll let it cook, boil, before I start putting crayfish, iru, all those stuff, yeah? So now let it boil first. Look at it. Ooh, boil it, steaming. Oh dear Lord, look at the banga soup. You know? Look at it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my crayfish, my ground crayfish goes in there. Yeah, ground crayfish goes in there. Yeah, look at it. I will put the fish last, okay? I'm not gonna put the fish now. My king prawn will go in there. Look at the king prawn. Will go in there, in the banga soup. Yeah. So I'm not gonna measure salt. It's up to you, okay? People cook this banga soup in a very different way. You know, it's their way or it's their choice. So what I use all kinds of seasoning, but I don't use salt. So I use this mostly. So it's my salt. It's the my salt in there. It's enough for my own taste, okay? For my own liking or whatever. Okay, guys. So that will go aside. So I'm gonna put my locust beans, iru, or we call it ogili uba. Yeah, we go in there. So the fish gonna go last because I don't want it to break, and the periwinkle will go in last as well. Okay, when the fish is cool, because the periwinkle is dry. Periwinkle now. That is the periwinkle. That is my periwinkle going in the banga soup. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it to cook for another 5 minutes. Then the soup is cooked. Everything is ready. So we're gonna cover it to cook. Another. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Ooh, oof, oof, oof. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw him just 1 green pepper in the banga soup, in case if it's not hot enough. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put in my fish, my catfish. This is my sea bass fish, and that is the catfish. Okay, the catfish will go in there. Okay, 1 catfish, 1 small sea bass fish. That is what I'm using. So I will let the fish go and soak inside the banga soup. That it will soak, to get soaked inside the banga soup. This banga soup, like I said before, you can eat with anything. You can even eat with rice. You can eat with your boiled yam, boiled plantain. Okay? White rice is very good with this. You know, with your banga soup. Look how thick it is. Look at that. And what I like with this banga I bought from this Ghana shop, it doesn't have oil. You see, there's no oil, so, you know, floating around. You know, it's a very good banga container. This is the banga. Very good. Next time I go to the man shop, I will buy. Look, that is the banga. Very good. It doesn't contain oil. Some banga soup, when you cook them, the oil is floating. You need to remove that oil. Oil is not, red oil is not good for. Can give you heart attack, can give you high cholesterol. So I'm gonna just put this basil leaf on top. That is it. Just to give you that basil leaf scent as well, you know. So the soup is ready. It's ready. It doesn't take that time. Much time. Look at the banga soup. Look at that. Sorry, I didn't show you when I was mixing my starch. I use palm oil, mix it with warm water, pour in my pot. That is the palm oil I use, healthy palm oil. Yeah, then I mix Ferrana. Yeah, is it Ferrana? How do you spell that? Ferrana. Potato starch. Yeah, that is what I'm using. This Ferrano, what I do, if I want to eat pounded yam, because this is very healthy for people with diabetics, yeah, or you want to lose your weight, you use this potato, you use this Ferrano to mix your potato flour to make your pounded yam. Guys, it's the best and it's healthy. So that is my starch to eat with my banga soup that I just cooked. You know, I didn't show you guys when I was mixing my starch. It wasn't easy but I'm there now. We've done it. That is my starch, you know. That is my starch. Oh, you need strong hand and energy, you know. That is my starch, guys. So I'm gonna use my clean fin, yeah, to wrap my starch. Put it in there, dip in some water in there, use a wet spoon inside the water and cut the starch. That is the starch in there. Okay, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it that way, cut this one like that. Like that, like that, like that. Now to serve that is my starch, guys. Serve the starch with the banga soup that I just cooked. Yeah, so that is the starch, goes in there. Yeah, the starch goes in there. Then let's serve the soup, the banga soup. I will first of all put the head of the fish. That's what I'm gonna eat. This is my dinner tonight. I'm gonna enjoy this soup. I haven't eaten this soup for a long time ago. Then I'm gonna put some shaki. Shaki will go in there. Then turkey meat. Sit down there and just enjoy my food with my white wine. I think I might test this with white wine. Guys, what do you think? What do you suggest? What do you suggest to me, my family? My beautiful whitey family, what do you suggest for me to the drink to go with this my banga and starch food? What do you think, guys? Tell me, what's your suggestion? Leave your suggestion at the below the comment box and tell me what you think I should eat with my banga soup. Okay, guys, I love you all. Keep blessed and see you soon again. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Appreciate every one of you for your support, for your time, your efforts, your effortless. Each time I upload a video, you're always there, rushing down, leaving all you are supposed to do at home, whether you're at work. You know, you want to come and support me. Guys, I don't take any of you for granted. I love you all dearly from the bottom of my heart. And I say thank you so much and may God bless all of you. Right now, I'm going to go away off the camera and sit down and enjoy my starch and my banga soup. I wish I can invite you all to come and join me and have a taste. Guys, I love you so much. And I say thank you. And remain blessed, all of you. And take care. And bye. Bye, guys.